Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we can mark a high time frame candle. For example, on 5 p.m. on 5 p.m. we mark top and bottom of this, and for example we come back to 1 hour, and here when we have a cross up we buy. When we have a cross up we buy, like this. How we can mark a high time frame candle and then trade in a lower time frame. So I explain you how. Here we use it, don't need time frame. It's better we use session. So instead of time frame, for example, if we want to trade on 4 hour time frame, we write, for example, from 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. Okay, it will be a 4 hour candle. Okay, it will be 4 hour candle on 4 p.m. Okay, and I show you. Okay, it's on the it's from, yeah, 5. We want for 5 until 7. Okay, then I explain you more. We use in time to identify candle or area in lower time frame area. So this we say if not now our time, when our time, in this session, in current time frame period, in this session. If not now, so we are in time, in area. So we show this with this visual. As you see here, we have a visual area. As you see, it's showing 5 p.m. in 4 hour candle. If we go down, it's showing area. See, it's showing the area from 5 p.m. until 7 p.m. So then we define, okay, so we know we want to have area. So we know we want to know high of the candle and the low of the candle. Okay, we say we don't need this too. We even, I think, don't need, yeah, we did need. We defined 4 variable: high for finding high of the 4 hour candle or this area, and low to find the low of the candle, and these are for bar index. However, yeah, we don't need even bar index too. So we say if we are in time, if we are the in time and previous candle is not in time, so it means we are in the at the beginning of the in time. So if we are in this situation, so we assign high to high and low to low. Okay, I will explain you this about this later. Then we say if we not in, okay, if in time is this, then we have to say if we are in time and previous candle is in time too. So if high is higher than high, high, reassign high to high, okay, and if low is less than low, reassign low to low. So it's giving, it's finding highest candle and lowest candle and lowest area in the lowest candle in the our area, in our range. Okay, it will find, for example, here is our highest and here is our lowest. So when we have a cross up, so when we have a, if we are not in time, okay, it means if we are after that, if we are not in time, if close is higher than high and previous close is lower than that high, it means we cross over, previous close is less than, current close is higher than. So here press here add a bar. Why we have a show one by? If I delete this, as you see, we have several high. Okay, if we want only to have one by, I add show only one by, and as you see it's showing only one by after each range, each session. How we say first show one by is correct, then we tell, okay, if here is correct, so do. In every new session we saying reassign show by, reset it as a true, okay, and when it is false, when we have a by. So here is correct, when we have a by it will be false. So until we wait until new session. After new session again show one by will be true and we have one by here. Okay.